Hey, we're at Indoor AgCon, and what's really cool for SpectraGrow is we are talking to customers about 3D plant lighting and how 3D photon uniformity can add profitability in vertical farming. Also, what's cool is we've got our products showing 4 different applications demonstrated across 3 different booths. Let me show you. Application number 1 being demonstrated here at Indoor AgCon is our SG4 in an overhead hanging fixture application. What's really cool about this is in a vertical grow system like this, you can still achieve great vertical photon uniformity, but with a fixture that's out of the way of daily operations. So there's not a light in the way of, seeding, harvesting, washing systems, but you're still getting good coverage up and down the length of the wall. Application number 2. This is our SGL Slim Bar, again, for a vertical growing system application where you want to get incredible photon uniformity. We've got these slim bars mounted in this horizontal fashion on a movable frame. So you've got light on both sides. The lenses are designed exactly for the dimensions of the wall and the spacing in between. But also what's great about this being mounted on this frame is that when you want to work on this side of the wall, simply push this over, you've got free and clear space. Same thing, move this back over here to work on this area. The other thing that's being demonstrated here is the spacing and the amount of photon coverage, perfect for leafy greens on this side. If you noticed, about double the number of bars here, perfect PPFD for fruiting plants such as strawberries and tomatoes. Application number 3, same slim bar, but in a pointing down application for vertical racking systems. Doesn't matter if we're talking seedlings, microgreens, or even growing mature plants in a full vertical farming production application. The thing that's important to remember though is SpectraGrow's focus is precision LED lighting. We design the beam patterns specifically for the size of the rack, size of the trays, and the dimensions, how high we've got to work with. Some customers have their shelves really close together, so in those cases, we'll have a much wider beam spread. In this case, actually at about 10 inches, we're able to achieve great photon uniformity across 4 of the 1020 trays with just 1 bar. So think about the energy efficiency. Instead of having to have 2 or 3 bars for a single rack, we've got simply 62 watts covering this entire rack of 4 by 1020 trays. All right, application number 4, same SGL Slim Bar again. This one for hydroponic channels. Our partner New Growing System, NGS, has an amazing hydroponic channel for growing amazing strawberries. Same concept as always with SpectraGrow. We've designed the beam pattern to exactly cover the growing area. So we're getting the right level of intensity at the right uniformity target and not wasting photons elsewhere. So we're staying with high levels of energy efficiency in this application. For all of these applications and any others, SpectraGrow is always focused on helping our customers achieve high levels of 3D photon uniformity, because that's going to help our customers have greater plant quality, greater yields, less energy usage. And our process is always the same. We tailor our 3D light plans specifically to each farm. Each farm is different. So step number 1 is always building a 3D model of the farm. Second, we always look at the different photon delivery solutions we have in our toolkit. 3, we've got also several different building blocks of light fixtures, and that we can simulate a variety of layouts. And then finally, we bring back the human element into the process in reviewing our heat maps. So looking at 3D PPFD values so we can make sure we're getting the targeted PPFD values that we need for the plants being grown, and that we're getting great photon uniformity on both the vertical and the horizontal planes.